I have in this kind of like pinky neutrally color. So usually if I'm like trying a new bra company, I want to try in a neutral color. So it's just got like a little bit of lace detailing up here, little bow. I haven't had any issues with the underwire poking or coming free. I know some of my bras, like, you'll wear them twice and then it's like you're getting like so poked by the underwire. Don't have that problem here. So this is good. You can have a little look at the cut. Boop, boop, boop. And if you visit the listing, you'll see great size range. It goes like all the way through, I think, 44 triple D, which is pretty good, especially at that price point. The straps are a little bit thicker on these, which I find they end up digging less. So it gives you a ton of support and stretch, but not being too like tiny and diggy, but still like cute, where it's not like way over the shoulder boulder holders when sometimes the straps are too thick. These are like the perfect medium size. I love this one. So if you want to be feeling yourself, feel a little sexy, this is a great option. Again, at that price point is absolutely perfect. You can see minimal coverage. Takes that minimal coverage to the next level, but oh my goodness, it looks so good on. You got coverage where you want it. But yeah, works great under a lot